In a quaint village nestled between lush green hills in the year 1550, there lived a man named Yuroi, renowned as the finest harp player in all the land. The hauntingly beautiful melodies he created with his instrument echoed through the valleys, capturing the hearts of everyone who heard them. His music had a magical quality, soothing the souls of the weary and igniting the spirit of love in the hearts of the unrequited. Each evening, under the glow of the setting sun, villagers would gather around Yuroi as he played by the riverbank. But his melodies were quietly reserved for someone special, Moena, a Creole woman with raven afro curl hair and eyes like emeralds. She would sit nearby, pretending to gather wildflowers, her heart dancing to the notes that flowed like water from Yuroi's fingertips. Determined to win her heart, one fateful night, Yuroi wove a tapestry of sound that told their unspoken love story. The air crackled with anticipation as he played a rare piece, composed solely for her, each note a whisper of his longing. As if enchanted, Moena stepped closer, captivated not just by the music, but by the man who created it. As the final note lingered in the evening air, Yuroi turned to Moena, his heart pounding. "My heart is the melody, and you are the muse," he declared, his voice trembling with sincerity. Moena, her cheeks flushed, smiled softly and replied, "Then let us compose a symphony of love together." From that day forth, Yuroi and Moena became inseparable, their lives entwined like the strings of his harp, forever creating beautiful music together, echoing through the village and beyond. Their love story, sparked by melody, became legendary, a timeless ballad sung by generations to come.